This video demonstrates how to replace a sliding door gasket and is part of a series of walk-in cooler door maintenance videos. For this adjustment, you will use a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver and food-grade silicone spray. First, operate the door to the open position. Then turn off the power to the door controller. Now the door is safe to work on. Move to the sliding door front gasket and firmly pull it out of the channel, holding it to the door frame. Use the No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the top screw of the channel. Here's a hint: retain that screw for use later while reinstalling the gasket. Carefully pull the channel away from the door frame and slide the handle of the No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver under the channel to provide a good angle to insert the new gasket. Lightly spray the top portion of the channel with food-grade silicone spray and then begin inserting the new gasket, working it into and down the channel. Once the gasket is completely inserted, carefully remove the very top portion of the gasket to display the top screw hole in the channel and reinsert the screw removed earlier. This completes the replacement process. Now turn the power back on at the controller and test cycle the door through its complete operation.